Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel for another of my bonus plan with me's, and I'm back in the 7x9 and I'm going to do another monthly spread, this time with a Strawberry Lime Designs kit, again showing just how well these kits fit in this planner. So that is the 4-page kit, and today's challenge is to write it with my left hand. I am slightly cheating because it's a monthly, so I don't have that many things to write in, and I do have quite a lot of script stickers. So I'm not sure whether this is cheating, but anything that is written will be written with my left hand. I'm very definitely right-handed. I don't even know how I'm going to hold a pen in my left hand. That's a future Tilly's problem. So without any further ado, I am just going to get straight onto it. This is the spread we are starting with, so I'm going to speed up and pass over to VoiceOver Tilly. Okay, so I am back with another voiceover, and this time I am going to be doing a Never Have I Ever. So I posted a Never Have I Ever question on my Instagram stories, and I'm just going to be responding to them. Obviously, you can't watch me take a drink because I'm not. You can't see me while I'm recording this voiceover, but I'm just going to say I have or I haven't done that thing. So, never have I ever smoked pot. I haven't ever smoked pot. I've been offered it, but I've only ever been offered it when I've been drinking, and I wouldn't ever want to mix drugs, so I've never smoked pot. Eaten snails. I don't think I've eaten snails. I'm not 100% sure, because last time I ate meat at all, I was 9, like intentionally ate meat, I was 9, and we had been to France quite a lot, and the one time I can think other people around me ate snails, I was vegetarian, so I didn't then, but I may have eaten snails. I don't know. Next one is been out of Europe. Yes, I've been out of Europe a lot. I've been to America a lot. I've been to the Caribbean. I've been to Barbados. I've been to Africa. I've been to India. I've been to Australia. I think the only continent I've not done is South America and the Antarctic. Yeah, I want to though, and I want to do more of Asia because I've literally only been to India and Asia. Got detention at school. Yes, I've had one detention in my entire life. One. I was such a good person at school, and it was basically in rounders. Somebody cheated and I swore at them, and I got detention. I was really angry, and literally my detention. I went to the detention and she made me stay for like half the time because she was like, Tilly, it's not like you to get detention, go. So yeah, that's that. Next one is pretended to not fancy someone you've got a crush on. Yes, no, I don't know. People tell me I like, not anymore because I don't know, I don't really talk to, I mean, when did I last see anybody in person, let's be real. That wasn't my fiance or my parents. But I used to get told I was quite a flirty person, and I don't like register that I'm flirting. So other people would think I fancied people when I didn't. But I definitely pretended to not have feelings for my boyfriend before we got together. He was my best friend, and I definitely pretended that I didn't have feelings for him when I definitely did. So yes, no, I don't know. Take what you will from that. Tried to stay awake to see Father Christmas deliver the presents. Yes, I've done that, 100%. I think I've told this story, but children may want to cover children's ears for a second. I believed in Santa for a lot longer than most people would think is normal. And yeah, I think it was because I was the youngest. I think in my head I knew, but I didn't want like the magic to be gone, so we just carried on. I don't know. I just pretended I still believed. I don't know. So I don't really know when I stopped believing. Yeah. Next one is played hooky, which she's put in brackets, skipped schoolwork. No, but yes. I've never skipped work. I've only ever taken time off work when I've needed to for my health, which has been like the week I was sick. One day I had to get a COVID test. Yeah, that's about it. But I took time off at med school saying it was about physical health when it wasn't, it was my mental health. And I also skipped school when I was in sixth form. Near exams, I used to skip school to study at home because it would because I didn't live anywhere near my sixth form, I skipped school to study at home because I got like an extra 2 hours studying by not going to school. So I don't know whether that really counts. The next one is skinny dipped. No, I don't think so. It would be something I would be up for, but no. Regifted a gift I didn't like. I've definitely done this, but I don't exactly regift them. I don't give them to somebody else. What I tend to do is I give them to my guide group for tombola or raffle prizes. So I kind of give them to charity. So I don't know whether that counts as regifting or not. Snuck out the house. No, I don't think I have. I think I was quite open and honest with my parents about what I was doing, and they created an atmosphere where they were happy for me to, as long as I was being honest with them, they were happy to me to sort of do things. They would rather I did things safely. I maybe went out when they were away and didn't tell them I was going out, but it's not really sneaking out the house. Travelled to another country on my own. Yes, I went to both Malta and Barbados on my own for my elective. I actually really enjoyed it. I just got to do what I wanted to do with my time, and I made friends there, and I partly made friends because of the way I did it. Is I was there on my elective, so I was working-ish. I was being a med student there, so there was sort of that little bit of people I've met. So yeah. And the last one is streaked. I feel like I've not full-on streaked, but I've run somewhere awkward in my underwear as a dare, because I'm one of these people that if you dare me to do something in a game of truth or dare, I will just do it. I don't know, I'm a funny person, but yeah. I'm quite good at doing things that I've been dared to do. So I think I probably not full-on nakedly streaked, but I've streaked in my underwear. I think I'm pretty sure I've done it at uni through the corridors and stuff. Yeah. So anyway, that is my never have I ever. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll probably have in my Instagram stories at some point in the next, I might have already been, but I might have some more questions that you should leave me, or if you've got any games you want me to do in these videos, drop them down below and I will put an Instagram story up for them. So yeah, I'm going to pass back over to Pastely with the finished spread now. Well, that was an adventure. Oh, bless. I'm actually quite pleased. It's all legible, and I thought it would be even worse than it is. Maybe I should do one where I'm sticking stickers down with my left hand, because I don't know how that would go down. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with how this came out. The kit didn't fit as well as I expected, in that the sidebar was not the right size. And I don't know whether that's... have I put it upside down? Oh my god, I've put it upside down. That's brilliant. I've only just noticed that. The fire's upside down. Good. How many people were telling me that was the wrong way up? Because I would have been telling me. But other than the sidebar, it fit, exactly how I expected. Yeah. I'm really pleased with how it came out. It still looks absolutely gorgeous. I forgot these were also... this page was a... oops. I printed it wrong. This should have a bottom line, and it does like that in February, and so I just imagined the line was there. But oh well, that happens. It happened. I spotted it and obviously corrected it for the rest of the planner, and because this was just for me to show you guys what their planners were like, I didn't think it mattered too much. So in the kit... So the reason that I got rid of this wasn't because the handwriting was awful or anything, it was because I realised that PM shift made it sound like it was mine, but it was for Socian, so I just added an S there as well. So I've got lots of the labels left. Most of that page, all I used was that one piece of washi, none of that page, and none of the other page, which I have lost there. So yeah, that's all I've got for this video. I hope you enjoyed the little game or whatever I did in the voiceover. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!